Good evening, students. In last class, we have to discuss how to move right and what are the functions, maximize and minimize the functions. So here, all these functions you want to execute, you are using the on click. Whenever you have to click on that, or that time you have to maximize the image or minimize the image. For example, I want to whenever you have to mouse roll over, you have to maximize as well as want to minimize. In the place of on click, simply you can use on wheel event want to specify here. On wheel. You can use on wheel. Whenever we have the mouse wheel is there, so whenever we have to maximize, now we have to save it. Okay. Now we have to open. So, value start maximum. Okay, sorry. So in the place of on click, you have to here. So here also similar. In the place of image, ID image or PNG. So here I want to use within that on wheel I want to use the function maxi function. See here, without using click on that maximize and minimize function buttons, directly the mouse wheel you have to maximize. So whenever you have to click on that, automatically maximum size you have to reach. So you want to minimize, you want to change the code. So here in the place of here, you can include one event, that is the on wheel event. You want to execute the maximize function. So the mouse wheel you have to maximize. That time this function is invoked. You want to minimize, simply you can use it on wheel equal to minimize function. Minimize function. See here, you want to maximize the, by using the mouse wheel, you have to maximize the image as well as you want to minimize the image. You have to place on that clicking of the maximize button. So you want to maximize based on clicking the minimize button. You want to minimize. See here, now you have to save it. So refresh it now. See here, maximize. Just I want to place on that image. My cursor is on image. Just mouse is maximize. See here. So in a particular position, so the maximum size is reached. So you get the message, maximum size is reached. So after that, you want to minimize. So here, so here you can use it. This one. Wait, refresh it now. You want to minimize. Maximum size. So using the on wheel function, on wheel event, and on click events, moves right, left. So these all events you have to apply to the particular image. Uh, all events you have to apply it, as well as also you can apply the key events also, key up and key down. So those events also you have to apply it. These are the events: on wheel, on click, mouse over. So already in you can discuss with that mouse over, mouse in, mouse over in and out. So those all events we have to discuss in last class. Now we can discuss in today class how to embed a particular video into the web page. So here I want to specify before that, we have to place it a particular video into the web page. So here I want to specify any video. I want to copy here and paste into the desktop. See here, I want to include the image. Video. Video tag you have to use to including the image into the web page. Video and its width you want to specify. Width equal to image video width you want to specify here based on your requirements. So I want to give some like 320 px as well as height equal to some 240. And once you have to defining the width and height of the video and what are the controls. Sir. So this is the this is the video tag. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is the video tag you have to include it into the web page. Up to now, you have to completed images, how to include the images and what are the events you have to generate on over the image. That is the animation plot you have completed up to now. Now, in today's class, we have to discuss how to include the video tag into the web page and how to write the script code for that image. Autoplay you want to whenever you have to open the once you have to video is included into the web page. Autoplay you want to of that video continuously whenever you have to open the image, automatically it will be started. So for that purpose, you can write the code. So and also some internet web pages, web videos are there like YouTube videos. That YouTube videos, how we can include it into the web page. These are the things in today's class we have to discuss. Okay. First, video and width and height of the videos. I want to specify and controls. In the controls, you have to represent what are the controls of the video. Those all are we have to consider here also. And we can represent the source from where you have taking this video. That is the source tag you have to represent. That is the source. And you have to use that is the SRC equal to similar to image information. So that is the here we have to give the HTML. So that is the HTML. And HTML dot what type of video, MP4 or MP3. So type of the video format you have to specify here. Once you have to complete the type of the what is the name of the video and as well as type of the image with the movie some we have to given as HTML.mp4 and type equal to you want to specify either video MP4. I want to type of the video also you must be specified. So I want to specify the type of the video. So if the content is not available, so what the information you want to display? So whatever the source you have given, that not be that this video is not working. So that time you have to, with a different format you have to give. That time you want to specify that is the mp.ogg, the place of different format other than mp4 you have to give it. So that time it will be considered video.ogg. So this is a different format you have. So automatically your browser, some of the browsers are supported by the some videos, some browsers are not supported by the videos. So you can display the information. Your browser does not support the video tag. Some like we have to end of the video slash video. Okay. Now we have to save it. So this is the image. So here you have to include the one video into the web page. You have to click on this. So it is play whatever the controls you have for that. We have to playing that video. So those all controls here also we have to work. Maximize, minimize. So whatever the controls you have to use, playback speed. At all you have to working. What are the controls you have to specify? You have to volume change. So here you have to given the one word controls. What are the video controls are there? Those all controls here also you have to work. So but whereas here you want to give the different name here, some X. Okay. Here we have to give the image. Simply you can close it. Now I will give the name as rename as X. So that is the video. So now you have to working, is working or not, you have to check it out. So nothing. So that is a different format. Same format, but that video is not available in that. So whenever we have to specifying the source. So current directory don't have that video. So now we have to change it to this name of the image HTML. Okay, clear. Now we have to refresh it. Okay, you want to change the type of the video. That time you have to getting HTML.OTG. That time different formats you have to execute it out. Your some of the browsers are not can handle the video tags. So that time you have to display this in message. Your browser does not support the video tag. Okay. How to include the video into the web page? So here we have to specify first, that is the tag name is the video tag, and the width of the video, that is the width you have specified, as well as height of the video and its controls. Source from where you have to consider, that is the current directory. Current directory we have to consider that image, that video name, and its type of the video you have to specify. Some of the browsers are not supporting the video tag. So in that case, what you want to display? So here your browser does not support the video tag. So end of the video tag. So this is the way you have to include the video into the web page. So now whereas for example we have to consider as directly YouTube account you have to include it into the your web page. So YouTube video you want to include the into the your web page. Simply you can write iframe here. We have to use it here. Simply the place of video. I want to use iframe. Iframe and width, and similar way we have to specify the width and height. So here I want to specify the width and height and SRC. So that is the we have to represent it SRC equal to. So for example, you want to show we have to consider particular video. See here in this video you want include it into the web page. Simply you have to click on that share. You get the share whenever you have. So just have to copy the YouTube account. Have to place it here. After placing the YouTube, before that you have to embed hash iframe. So here we have to specify the open and save it. So in the place of here, can include it, this one. So here, SRC. Okay, now we have to save it. Refresh it. So this is the video is our own video in our system. What is the video you have that will be included into the web page. Already some videos are placed into the YouTube channel. Those videos you have to include it into your web page like this. Simply we have to see. First one, this is the case. You have to include the video, whatever the video you have in your system, that will be included into the here. And this is the video you have to include it already in the web page. That is YouTube accounts. So those videos you have to include it into the web pages. Iframe width 320 and width and height. So how we can get this IP? This is the YouTube address. Simply directly you can go into a particular video. Okay, see here. This is the video. So you have to go click on share, and here we have the embedded. So here we have the embedded tag is there. You have to click on that one. So here you have to get the code related to the this video. Simply you have to click on this SRC, and you have to call it copy here, and whatever the YouTube name where in the YouTube account, what is the
Hello.
click on. Evarama? Prasanna?
Hello.
Prasanna? Prasanna? ప్రసన్న చెప్పమ్మా.
డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాడు సార్, తను మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవుతాడు కావాలా, వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు, డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాడు.
So here directly you can go to the share and you have to click on that embedded, and here you have the embedded code that will be included into the your iframe address. So simply you have to use SRC and HTTPS, and this is the code. That code you have to.
Sir, if we have a video in our system, then we are using directly video tag. If
Video
we
tag,
get ఎనీవేర్ అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచైనా తెచ్చుకొని లింక్ ద్వారా పెట్టాలంటే ఐఫ్రేమ్ అనేది యూస్ చేయాలి సార్.
iframe keyword directly.
Okay sir.
Embedding that video into the your web page.
So sir, if we have that YouTube, if we want to include that YouTube link, we don't need that video tag, right? If it's just iframe will be enough.
iframe tag is enough. Hello.
Okay.
iframe tag
yes
we
sir.
have to include it into your web page. See here.
Yes, but we didn't need to include that video tag.
No need to. Directly you can use the iframe tag. So directly it will be embedded this video that is already in the YouTube account. You have this video, so that will be in
Okay.
video, and you have to include it into the your web page.
Okay. Okay sir. Sir, are you talking?
No, no. Actually, he is not speaking. Wait.
Okay. See
Sir
here,
is
this
on
is the
mute.
code. This is the code you have to represent it. Embed the YouTube video into the web page. And the next one, some scripting code you want to include. For example, you want to play automatically. That time you want to write some scripting code. How we can write?
The time is running out, sir. Create another link, sir.
Simple
Event.
code. Just nothing. Controls. Here you have to give in. Controls you have to give in. Here you want to specify auto play. Just one word. Controls already we have to give in for the video tag. For the local video, you have to include it into the web page. That time you have to use this video tag. You have to specify it here. In the play after controls, you have to include the auto play word. You have to include it. Simply automatically it will be started and displayed here. So see here, refresh it. Save it now. Save this one and refresh it. Auto play we have to controls.